Delicious. Add some oil on the skittle. As you see, I put the chicken on the skittle. It's around 1.5 pounds of the chicken. I cut the chicken by bite-sized pieces. I will cook the chicken until it is golden brown on the outside. It's time to toss it. Add some butter. Now it looks brown, so remove it from the skittle. Add some onion on same skittle. One big onion. Of course, it's chopped. Cook the onion until it becomes soft and lightly golden, like that. Now we add mushrooms. It's chopped mushrooms, 8 ounces. Toss it together. After a couple minutes, the mushrooms lose the liquid, and it's a time to put back the chicken. And now you add your favorite spices. Add 2 cans of beans. Pour some chicken bouillon. And now we add some sour cream. 1, 2, 3. Toss it. Now we cover it and turn down the heat for 5 minutes. Delicious.